So Montreal has got its first forecast of freezing rain, which, if you haven't experienced it before, basically means that the rain falls from the sky as rain droplets, and as soon as it hits the ground, it freezes. Basically what that means is this. This is all ice. I did just fall as I was trying to walk through here. This is snow, and sort of broke through an ice layer like that. If you are stuck on a road like this, you are in serious trouble. This is absolutely surreal. Look at this. Holy crap. Wow. I've only experienced this once when I was on exchange on like about a week after I arrived. The best way to get through it is to just walk like this on a huge mound of snow in the middle of whatever stupid alleyway you decided to go through. This is f***ing insane. Basically everything just gets covered in like this centimeter thick layer of ice, including the trees, the power lines, the cars, the roads, the snow, everything. Absolutely mental. This is absolutely surreal. Like, if you look at this, okay, so here's a piece of ice, and I went way further than I expected. Whoa. That is too satisfying. I am never gonna get sick of that. Let's do it again. Whoa, 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 whoa. And cracking an egg. To make it down this alleyway, I would recommend, so you have to stray off the beaten path. If you stick to the beaten path, you're gonna fall over. If you're too delicate, or if you're trying not to make too much of a sound, you're gonna fall flat in your ass. Basically just take the loudest, most obnoxious path through the ice-covered snow, and you'll survive. And for your own sake, don't get overconfident or distracted. This is me shuffling across like a penguin. Oh god. Compared to the last time I was in freezing rain, this isn't too bad because it's not a full rainstorm. It's just a little bit of like a light drizzle of freezing rain, which means the roads aren't completely coated in ice. It's just these sort of alleyways and things as opposed to the actual roads. So back when I was on exchange and experienced freezing rain, it was like traumatic, I would say. It's a lot more enjoyable when I don't have a huge cast on my left arm like I did last time, because I slipped on the ice and I fell and I broke my wrist. Oh god, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? This is like the most difficult bit because a car has gone through it in the morning Just like, holy oh, because, what? Uh-oh. It's gonna be a lot more difficult than I expected. Oh god. Ah. All good. Okay. It's hard when you try to. I'm trying to stomp this, but okay. Oh. Either you expect it to crack, or you don't expect it to crack, and you hit it, and then you fall over, like I almost did. This is honestly though so much fun. Those BS weather condition. Rain falls to the ground and freezes, and you can't walk. It's just surreal. Like. The entire city just coated with ice. Okay, I think I've had enough. Let me make my way out of here. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Oh my god. This is mental. I had freezing rain once, but this is like my first time properly trying to explore the place during the freezing rain, and it's something else. It's really something else. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like if you found it interesting. Let me know what you think down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. My name's Lashan, and on this channel I sort of share my life and experiences as an Australian expat who's moved their life here to Montreal in Canada, and anything travel related, really. This was such a rare and surreal sort of weather event, so I thought it would be an interesting little tidbit of Montreal/Canadian life to share with all you guys. I can't really describe just how satisfying it is to break the ice. When you break really hard, brittle ice, it has a sound similar to breaking glass or smashing plates. It has a sound of something you shouldn't do, but it's totally okay to do it. That's what makes it fun. I've been doing this pretty much non-stop this entire past week. It's great. It's so great. Alright, so thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one, which is gonna be a pretty crazy travel story, so stay tuned. Lashan out.